The newly redeveloped Gandhinagar railway station is all set to be inaugurated by the Prime Minister virtually today itself, and it is a dream project of the Prime Minister with several aspects to it, several characteristics to it. We'll show you a view of the entire station. This is the entrance of this entire station, and you can see the kind of beautification that has also been done and made sure that the entire characteristic of Gujarat is also very visible. This is the place where the waiting can also be done, the ticket booking counter, all of that being done, taken into consideration, the ramps also being done so that even the handicapped can also travel with ease. This is the kind of architecture and the beautification that has been done in this particular station. You can see that on the walls, the entire characteristic of Gujarat is very much visible. You can see right from the Adalat stepwell to the Mudera Sun temple, the Siddhi Sayyid Ki Jali, the Jama Masjid, all of these things very visible as soon as one enters into the Gandhinagar railway station. What you also now see is the Gandhi Ashram on the walls, and here across the walls there is a character of Gujarat very much vibrantly available and visible in this entire station. This is the mini model of the Gandhinagar station that we can see. The station also has a 5-star luxurious hotel right on top of it, so that the people who are actually traveling here can stay there as well. This is done keeping in mind trade and commerce and foreign direct investment as well, because it is very close to Mahatma Mandir, where most of the foreign dignitaries come for events that are organized there. So across this location of the Gandhinagar railway station, there has been a lot of things kept in mind to make sure that the foreign dignitaries who come here, who arrive here in Gandhinagar, the state capital, can see the luxury and the kind of facilities that this particular railway station has to offer. Architecturally, it has also now given the green status as well, and all of the beautification that has been done also shows the entire culture and customs of Gujarat, which are very much visible as and when a person enters into the station. And at capacity, around 2,200 passengers can be customed here, and all of them can be here comfortably. And there are at least 2 trains that will be inaugurated today. More on that, we'll show you the exact characteristics of this entire railway station. But right from the beginning, you can see how the entire beautification has been done and how the state-of-the-art facility has been developed here at Gandhinagar railway station. There are a lot of facilities that have been inculcated in this entire newly redeveloped Gandhinagar railway station. What you see right behind me is a waiting hall that is for the capacity around 500 passengers who can wait here while they are waiting for their trains, and all of this is being done with the state-of-the-art facility, making sure that the handicapped are also made taken into consideration. As of now, these are only chairs, but there will be more infrastructure that will be redeveloped here in the waiting hall, which will have the capacity of around 500 passengers. And what you also see are a lot of other facilities and a lot of things that have in fact been taken into consideration while this entire station has been redeveloped and remodeled. What we look towards here, and we'll show you exactly all the other facilities, like an interfaith prayer room as well, that has been put in here to make sure that people who are waiting can do their own religious rituals and prayers, whatever that they want to do while they wait. This is for all people of all religions. There is also a first aid room that has been put here right on the platform of the railway station, of the Gandhinagar railway station. And this entire redevelopment is also done to make sure that all the facilities are made available to the people, whoever is traveling here, not just the VIPs and the foreign dignitaries who are going to be traveling from here, who are expected in fact to be traveling from here as well, since Mahatma Mandir is very close by. But all of these things have been taken into consideration while this redevelopment has been done of this station. The Gandhinagar railway station will also see a new addition of a train specifically that is going to be starting and inaugurating today and will run smoothly every day from 22nd of July. This is a railway, this is a train that is in fact going to be running from Gandhinagar to Varanasi and then back again to Gandhinagar railway station. You can see the way that it has been beautified as well. The labels of Gujarat tourism in fact are visible across the trains, across the compartments of the train. The policy of Ek Bharat, Shresht Bharat of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi also very, very visible in the entire train, and also the significance of this train running from Gandhinagar to Varanasi and then again back to Gandhinagar really shows the kind of importance that this entire project has also been given. There will be several stations in the middle of this entire route, and you can see several beautification and posters of significance of Gujarat that can be seen. These are posters of the Ranotsav. That is also another festival that the Prime Minister also talks about and is very close to his heart as well. Him having been the Chief Minister of Gujarat, Gujarat obviously holds a special place in his heart as well, and that is very visible in these kind of posters and the kind of projects that we are now seeing at the Gandhinagar railway station. This particular train running from Gandhinagar to Varanasi and then back again to Gandhinagar, which will start running for the public on 22nd of July.